From last 8 days, anti-terror operation continues in Gambir Mughla area of district Rajouri. I am in the Gambir Mughla area, and you can see the choppers has been pressed in for the surveillance of the entire area. When we talk about this entire area, this is a very dense forest where the two of the terrorists are being hiding in. There are many natural caves which are being used by the terrorists as their hideout. On the 23rd of the May, the encounter took place, and one of the terror hideout was burst by the security forces at the operational site. What we are learning is that from last 8 days, anti-terror operation Sheru Wali continues in this particular area, and now once again the chopper has been pressed in to surveillance the entire area and to track down the location of the terrorists. Indian Army along with the security forces and Jammu and Kashmir police are being conducting this anti-terror operation, and each and every vehicle is being checked by the security forces. You can see how Indian Army and the security forces are alert. This is the Gambir Mughla area of district Rajouri. You can see the surveillance of the chopper being done, and so that it could be trace down the terrorist locations. And this is the entire topography of this area. Very dense forest, thick forest, and each and every length and breadth of this area has been covered by the Jammu and Kashmir police along with the security forces. What we are learning is that Jammu and Kashmir police along with the Indian Army is conducting a massive anti-terror operation in this particular area, and now the choppers are being pressed in by the security forces to pin down the terrorists. So it means this is the final assault by the forces, so that as soon as possible the terrorists could be neutralized. With video journalist Amit Bhardwaj, this is Ankit Bhatt for Times Now. From last 8 days, anti-terror operation continues in the Gambir Mughla area of district Rajouri, and this is the area in this dense forest the terrorists are being hiding. What we are learning is that from the 23rd of May, the Operation Sheru Wali was launched by the forces, and you can see heavy deployment of the forces are being pressed in. The reinforcement team has also been pressed in to pin down these terrorists. What we are learning is that from last 8 days, the anti-terror operation is on in this dense forest. The terrorists are being hiding, but now the Jammu and Kashmir police along with the Indian Army is conducting a massive anti-terror operation in this particular area, so that the two terrorists who are hiding in this area could be pinned down as soon as possible. Today is the 8th day of the anti-terror operation which is going on, and now reinforcement team is being pressed in by the Indian Army and Jammu and Kashmir police, so that the entire area is being cordoned off, and the terrorists who are hiding in this area could be neutralized as soon as possible. With video journalist Amit Bhardwaj, this is Ankit Bhatt for Times Now.